Hey y'all, welcome back to the Misfit Mama. It's me, Heather, your guide to authentic motherhood and homemaking. And today you're inside my fridge because I gotta clean out my fridge. We just got back from being out of town for about a week for the Christmas holiday, which means a bunch of food's been going bad in my fridge and it's just time. It's just time to clean it out. So figured I would bring you guys along with me. If you're new around here, be sure to consider subscribing while you're here. If you're not new around here, thanks for coming back. If you like these kinds of videos, this is the place to be. So today, to get started on cleaning out my fridge, I'm gonna start by just getting everything out and then cleaning all of the individual shelves and drawers and stuff like that. And then I'll put everything back in, hopefully in a way that's a little bit more organized. I know it's not gonna stay like that, but just makes me feel better, you know, to have it like that for a few hours. So I'm gonna go through the trouble of cleaning out the fridge just for it to get messed up again soon. He's fine. Let's go do it. When it hits you, yeah. So this is what my fridge is looking like right now. Just a lot of leftovers and stuff we're not going to eat. Stuff that's started going bad that we need to get rid of. We also have fruits and vegetables and stuff in this drawer that I really haven't gone through in a really long time. So it's time to clean this bad boy out. This is the food that I took out of the fridge, and I'm going to start going through it now, getting rid of leftovers and things that are expired. Some of this stuff is over here because it wouldn't all fit. And there is the drawer that I mentioned up there with our fruits and vegetables and snacky things in there. So now it's time to go through all this stuff and then get to cleaning the fridge. So now that I've taken all of the food out, this is what we're left with. I took the drawers out of, or I took the little shelves out of the door here as well. See, there's like a lot of gross stuff on here that needs to be wiped off. And then I took our drawer thing here, just comes completely out. So I just took that out to make it easier to clean. So the fridge part now is completely empty. Now I can go ahead and start wiping down the actual refrigerator. When it hits you, yes, 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 you shall. When it hits you, yes, 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 you holler, yes. 1, 2, 3, do it. Now that the inside of the fridge is clean, I'm going to wash the drawers and the shelves before I start putting the food back in. When I'm washing the glass shelves, I like to use the hottest water that I can stand. That way I can just let it air dry. With really hot water, it will air dry quickly without any spots left on the glass. The last thing to do right now is to put the freshly washed shelves and drawers back into the fridge, and then to start putting the food back in as well. And my goal is to put it back in a way that myself and my family can try and keep it organized. I know it won't stay like that forever, but I try to keep ready to eat and breakfast stuff on the top shelf. In the middle are more ready to eat stuff, leftovers, and lunch stuff. And then on the bottom shelf are just taller items, as well as uncooked meats and really big pots, other things that can't fit on some of the smaller shelves. this is what my fridge is looking like now. I think that it looks great. It definitely feels a lot cleaner. It really felt like we had almost a brand new fridge after I was done with it. And as you can see, somebody already put the creamer in the wrong spot. I got our vegetable drawer looking good. I had washed the grapes that we had in there, so those are drying before I put them into a plastic container to put them into the fridge. But if you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe, and I will check you in the next video. In the meantime, keep it real.